Hey guys, so a lot of you wanted to know how I do my hair, so I thought I'll do my wash and go routine and show you guys all the products that I use. So to start off, I'm gonna start rinsing off my hair. I only have leave-in conditioner in my hair because I went to the beach 4 days in a row and I was not about to wash my hair every day, so I just used some leave-in conditioner throughout. So now that we're finished, I'm gonna shampoo my hair using the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. I really like this shampoo because it gives me a good cleanse without completely drying out my hair, and it also detangles my hair as I distribute the product. So I shampoo my hair twice, making sure that I get everything out, especially if I did a lot of activities. I'm sorry for the lighting guys, the sun was playing, but now I'm just gonna rinse out my hair, making sure that I get all the shampoo out. So now I'm gonna use the Garnier Hydra Recharge Fortifying conditioner. This conditioner is everything. I mean, it gives me the perfect slip and it smells like a fruit bowl, honestly. I'm gonna distribute that all over my hair, especially in the middle of my hair because that is the driest and the hardest. I think the one thing that I hate about wash and go is detangling my hair, but with this conditioner it has made it so much easier. So now I'm just using my fingers and raking my hair to get out any fallouts. So now I just leave that conditioner in my hair for about 20 minutes while I shower. So fresh out of shower, the first thing I'm going to be using is my leave-in conditioner from Suave Professionals. I really like this product because like I said, I used it when I didn't wash my hair for 4 days after going to the beach, and it actually kept my hair moisturized the entire time and my hair was not tangled. So I really recommend this product. So I just distribute that all of my hair, again, really focusing on the ends and the center of my hair, which is the driest. So now I'm going to be using my Cantu coconut curling cream. Like, I stopped using this for a while because I thought it was a little bit too heavy for my hair. But now that I'm in the Caribbean, it is working wonders because my hair has been so dry since I got here. So I really recommend this product if you're also in the Caribbean or in very humid weather. So I'm really applying this product because like I said, my hair is thirsty. So it really needs some good moisture right now, and this product, although it's thick, you know, it's really locks in that moisture in my hair, and it lasts about a couple of days, say like 4 to 5 days, if not the whole week. So now for a little bit more definition, I'm going to use my Aphogee Curlific Curl Definer. I do not use a gel all the time in my hair, and because my hair is already so dry, I don't think gel would be a good idea right now. So I'm just going to apply this to the ends of my hair to get more defined curls. So now I'm going to use my TangleTeezer, and let me tell you, if you do not have this brush, you are missing out. I love this brush so much because it helps with the definition, of course, and also distribute the products evenly. It's so satisfying to use. Oh my gosh. I'm using so much force in my hair right now. Like, my hair is so thick, it be fighting me. I got a love-hate relationship with my hair. Like, so many people could testify to you about that. Like, we fight, and then I cut it after a while because I can't take it. So now I'm just gonna part my hair on which side I like my hair to dry on. Usually I let my hair dry backwards or forward, and then I could decide which way to manipulate it, but today I was feeling a little fancy. So now I'm gonna add some jojoba oil just to get that extra shine. So now I'm just gonna pass the TangleTeezer where I don't see a lot of definition, which is mostly the middle of my hair. This is basically all that I do to my hair. It takes about an entire day for my hair to dry, so I'm gonna leave this dry and I'll see you guys next week.